Yo, what's up, everybody? This is JT. Welcome back to the channel. To all my new subbers, welcome to my channel. Got a quick video tonight. This is an update number 2 on the side sliding door on this Chevy Aquarod van. Um, so last night I was out here working on it. Y'all saw I had the single rod going through. What I did, I had cut the tip of one of these little syringes to use as support, glued it to the wall so the rod could slide through. But I didn't use all of it because tubing was too big. And I don't think it was stout enough anyway. So what happened was that one rod, which is here go right here, it wasn't supporting that door enough. I mean, y'all saw that last night. It kept turning or whatnot. So I came out here tonight. When I got off work, I came out here and I, worked on it a while to get it to where, to readjust it. So now I have 2 rods on it, right? So now I still have to do some adjusting to it. But once I paint it, things change once you paint stuff. So once I paint it, it might stay up. I can adjust the rods in the back still. But anyway, here we go. We got a sliding door. It's still kind of, but it's not going, it's just going to be open. Once you get it to where, you want it to be open, then, it's all good. But anyway, let's turn around and look what I did. So I had to put it looks so ugly right now because I can't wait to fix all this. But anyway, I had to use some more tubing that would be long enough and stout enough to support these rods once the rod slides in. And see now, you see what I'm saying? Because at first they were stopping like right along here with it, just that one. So now they're going to slide into those tubings, right? So as y'all know, I told y'all last night I put these little styrene strips in here to stop the door from falling in. So these 2 tubes, I was trying to think about what can I use, and then I saw a spray bottle. So I just took the tubing off of the spray nozzle from the spray bottle. And that's what this is. This is a lot more stout than that syringe. So that's what I used to do that with. And I just cut, well, actually, I made one more piece the same size of this little bracket right here that I made to push these rods in. I just copied that and drilled another hole in there and, glued it onto the door. So once I painted this stuff, it's going to look totally different. I might use some kind of material to cover this because I had this I was going to use to cover it. I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm undecided. But anyway, if you do decide to go this route, make sure you leave enough clearance for the chassis to go in there, because if you don't, it's going to hit this wheel well here. So you want to make sure it's up far enough. We'll do a little bit of test fitting. Let's see. That's about it, y'all. That's about all I did. I just wanted to come over here and do this video because a lot of people, like I say on the Facebook and here in the YouTube, want to know how I did it. Now I'm sure it's somebody out there who did it different, and this is my way of doing it. I didn't ask nobody. I didn't look at any videos. This came straight off the noggin. Straight off the noggin. That was my idea. You probably can Google it and see, who else out there has a video. But this is my way. Me personally, unless you make a casing for it back here, I really don't see it going the other way, unless you make some kind of rails or something. But, this was the only way that it really would have been better if I could have had some smaller tubing, but hey, it is what it is. So I've got an idea to fix this stuff up. Trust me, I got some ideas in my head. So hopefully I could, you know. But I think I got it to where I wanted it. So what I'm going to do is I have more bills I have to finish. So now that I got this to where the close and open and close and it's kind of stable, more stable than what it was, I'm going to set it aside and get my other bills out the way. Then I'm going to jump back on this. But this was my main concern. Now, while I have it sit to the side and while I'm working on something else, I got to figure out exactly what it is I want to do here for the decals. I have an idea. I just don't know if I want to go on with that or not. So I don't know. We'll see. Interior, it's gonna be, y'all gonna see. It's gonna be nice in the back. It's gonna be really, really nice. So um yeah, that's yeah, I can't wait to. The only other thing I'm thinking about, I don't know if I should go with the Quaker style wheels or should I go with those aftermarket uh Stillies with the dog dish cap on it. You know, I don't know yet, but I got the biggest part out the way is that door. So we'll see what happens with that. But so like I use this is what I use for the rods. I cut a piece out and straighten it out the best I can. I bent the tip to push down up in the little bracket. And this is just some old wire that I had hanging around in my toolbox. So I cut it and I used the I forgot the size of the styrene, but I just cut out pieces of styrene, off the styrene sheet. That styrene you can get from anywhere. Uh, it's about yay thick, you know. So, but that's it, y'all. So if you want to do it the way I do it, just find you a a spray bottle, with and just yank the nozzle off of it and measure and cut it. I work like that. So anyway, y'all, I think that's it. I definitely appreciate y'all. I can't say that enough. Like I said, if you just got any more questions, just email me. I can answer like that. But that's how it is, y'all. So I think it's gonna work. I still hate it's kind of loose, but I don't think I don't think it's gonna be perfect. The door sits right, so you know it's all good. All right, y'all. I'm finna take it in, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. I got a video. What did you buy Wednesday? Gonna be coming up too. I recorded that a few days ago. But that's it. That's it. That's it. That's all, and I'm out, y'all.